If you're experiencing lag spikes in The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help reduce or eliminate those interruptions. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings by navigating to the Options menu. Reduce the resolution, turn off VSync, and lower the quality of textures and shadows to ease the load on your system. Step 2. Update your drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturers, websites like Nvidia or AMD to download the latest drivers, which can improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Manage mods and custom content. If you use mods or custom content, disable them temporarily to see if they are causing the lag. You can do this by moving the mods folder out of the game directory or using the game's built-in mod management options. Step 4. Optimize your computer. Close unnecessary background applications while playing The Sims 4. Use the task manager to end processes that are consuming significant resources, freeing up CPU and RAM for the game. Step 5. Check for game updates. Make sure The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Game updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help reduce lag. Check through the game launcher or platform you use to ensure you have the latest version. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your gameplay experience. Enjoy your time in The Sims 4 without the frustration of lag spikes.